It turns out that even sharks don't mind participating in speed dating. Scientists have discovered that giant sharks in the North Atlantic gather together and start circling like some kind of underwater dance contest. But instead of exchanging pleasantries and flirtatious glances, these sharks are evaluating potential partners. From 6 to 23 sharks participate in this peculiar shark chorus, and each one hopes to find his or her perfect partner. Probably the most unusual date imaginable.